Migratory behavior in yellowfin tuna. Yellowfin tuna are an important fishery species. They provide food and a livelihood for many. They are a top predator in the marine food chain and play a key role in maintaining balance in the ocean environment. They are a near-threatened species due to bycatching. This is because yellowfin tuna school with other fish based on size rather than species. So when fishermen are fishing for other fish such as skipjack tuna or porpoises, the yellowfin tuna are getting caught in their nets and then getting thrown out because they're not needed. Understanding the influences behind migratory behavior in yellowfin tuna would be beneficial to the tuna market as well as aid in conservation efforts. So what influences migratory behavior patterns in yellowfin tuna? My hypothesis is that migratory patterns in yellowfin tuna are primarily influenced by spawning behavior rather than other factors such as oceanic currents or dietary needs. If migratory patterns are primarily influenced by spawning behavior, we predict that male yellowfin tuna will migrate and follow female yellowfin tuna during mating season, even if dietary supplements are provided. Observations will be conducted over a course of 5 years. Migratory behavior will be analyzed throughout the entire year and compared with migratory behavior patterns during mating season. For yellowfin tuna in the Gulf of Mexico, this is between the months of May to August. 50,000 yellowfin tuna will be tagged using pop-off satellite archival tags, known as PSAT. This will be equivalent to 10,000 yellowfin tuna a year, with 5,000 being male and 5,000 being female. Using this method, depth and body movement data will be retrieved, as well as daily habits, migratory patterns, and location data. Sex determination will be done using immunochemical detection of vitellogenin. This is a protein specific to females. Fish will be caught using recreational fishing gear. This includes a size 9 hook, a stand-up rod, a metal jig, a dulled gaff hook, and a rope tied into a lasso knot. The boat will be equipped with a fish finder to help us find the location of the yellowfin tuna, and fish will be lured in by chumming the water with live bait. This is just cutting live bait, throwing it off the side of the boat, leaving a trail for the fish to find. Figure 1 is an image of the difference in size between a hook 9 and a hook 10. Either one of these can be used to catch the yellowfin tuna. Figure 2 is an example of a gaff hook. The one we will be using will have a dull end just so we don't accidentally fatally wound the fish. Figure 3 is an example of a lasso, or also known as a Honda knot, and figure 4 is an example of a metal jig lure. Once the fish are reeled into the side of the boat, we will use the gaff hook to pull the tail up. We'll then wrap the lasso knot around the tail and pull them on board. This is where tagging and sex determination will be done. After that, they will be released into the water. The PSAT provides satellite data, and this is how we will track migratory behavior throughout the entire year. Our experimental manipulation will be dietary supplements provided for half of the study. This is equivalent to 2.5 years. No food will be provided for the second half of the study. In both parts of the experiment, we would expect the male yellowfin tuna to follow the female yellowfin tuna and migrate during mating season, again from May to August, confirming that migratory behavior in yellowfin tuna is due to spawning behavior and not dietary needs. And this is my works cited.